Morning students. Today we are going to see the chapter of algebra. In exercise 3.5 part 1 continuation. The third subdivision, simplify. The first problem, two a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by 2a square plus 7a plus 6. In your book they are having one correction, that is in the book they have given 3a square. So you do the correction for the 2a square. In the denominator here 2a square divided by a square plus 6a plus 5 divided by minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50. For this type of problem, you just go through again because they here having so many plus and minus, right? Okay. For this problem, you can take one by one. First, in the numerator, you should take the first term, 2a square plus 5a plus 3 is equal to, how can you find out the factors of this one? In the a square, you are having coefficient, right? So the multiplication term is 6, the additional term is 5. In the coefficient of a squared, here we are having 2, right? So the variable is a. So how can we write the multiplication term? 2 3s are 6. If we add these two, we will get 5. So here we are having 2a, right? So we should write like this, 2a plus 2 and 2a plus 3. So here you should do the cancelling. If we cancel these two, we will get a plus 1. So the factors of 2a square plus 5a plus 3 is equal to a plus 1 and into 2a plus 3. Next, come to the second term. That is in the denominator. What we are having in the denominator? 2a square plus 7a plus 6 is equal to, here also the same concept. That is, the multiplication term is 12, the additional term is 7. This is very simple one. 4 3s are 12, right? The term is 2a. So here you should write 2a plus 4 and 2a plus 3. If you can do the cancelling, you should do here itself. So a plus 2 into 2a plus 3. So the factors are a plus 2 into 2a plus 3, right? Divided by, in the second expression, what we are having in the numerator, a square plus 6a plus 5 is equal to, this is very simple one. The multiplication term is 5, the additional term is 6, right? So for this problem, multiplication is 5, the additional is 6. So 1 5 is 5, right? So the variable is here a. So a plus 1, a plus 5. So how can we write? A plus 1 then into a plus 5. The next denominator for the second expression, minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50 is equal to, here you can see minus 5 is common, isn't it? So here you take out that minus 5 here itself. So if we take out the minus 5, we will get a square plus 7a plus 10 is equal to, here is also the multiplication term is 10, the additional term is 7. So 2 5s are 10. So the variables here a. So a plus 2, a plus 5. So minus 5 into a plus 2 into a plus 5. So again you write the same question. Here the third division in the question we are having divided the expression. So for the divider 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by 2a square plus 7a plus 6. The instead of division here you should write the multiplication, multiple by the reciprocal of the second expression. So minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50 divided by a square plus 6a plus 5. So instead of this term, we are going to apply the factors of the first expression and the second expression. For the first one, 2a square plus 5a plus 3 is equal to a plus 1 into 2a plus 3. You just check it. For the first one, a plus 1 into 2a plus 3. For the second one, in the denominator what we are having, a plus 2 into 2a plus 3. A plus 2 into 2a plus 3. So instead of division, here you should do the multiplication. So multiple by, here we have already done for that minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50. So minus 5 into a plus 2 into a plus 5 divided by the last one. For that a square plus 6a plus 5, what we are having, a plus 5 into a plus 1. Right. So here what we can do, the cancelling, a plus 1 will cancel, 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 will cancel, a plus 2, a plus 2 cancel, then a plus 5 and the a plus 5 also cancel. So the remaining term what we are having here, only minus 5. Take down this. Next come to the second problem. B square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4 divided by b square minus 49 divided by b square minus 5b minus 14. So here also the same concept. So first one, for the first term, what is the first term? In the first expression we should take first numerator. So b square plus 3b minus 28 is equal to, if you want to split this, the multiplication term is minus 28, the additional term is 3. So 7 4s are 28, right? So if suppose here we are taking minus, we will get minus 28. If we add these two, we will get plus 3. So the variables here, we are having b. So b plus 7 into b minus 4. The same expression we are going to take the denominator. B square plus 4b plus 4 is equal to, here you can see this is very simple one. The multiplication term is also 4, the additional term is also 4. So 2 2s are 4. If we add these two, we will get 4. If we multiply these two, we will get the same 4. So the variable is b. So how can we write b plus 2 into b plus 2? So b plus 2 into b plus 2. Otherwise b plus 2 the whole square also correct. So the second expression, numerator, here we are having b square minus 49. So how we can write this? B square minus the 49 we can write like this, minus 7 square. So this is in the concept of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So b plus 7 into b minus 7. So the last, the second expression, denominator, we are going to take the denominator. Here we are having b square minus 5b minus 14 is equal to, here also the same concept. The multiplication term is minus 14, the additional term is minus 5. So 7 2s are 14. So if suppose we are having minus additional term and the multiplication term, both the term, if we have minus, we should take the minus in the greater number. If we multiply these two, we will get minus 14. Add these two, we will get minus 5. The variable is b. So here the terms are b minus 7 into b plus 2. So again you should write the question here. B square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4. Instead of divide, we should do the multiplication by the reciprocal of second expression. So b square minus 5b minus 14 divided by b square minus 49 is equal to b square plus 3b minus 28. What is the factors of this one? B plus 7 into b minus 4. Divided by b square plus 4b plus 4 is equal to b plus 2 into b plus 2. So instead of divide, you should do the multiplication, right? So multiply by b square minus 5b minus 14. The factors are b minus 7 into b plus 2 divided by b square minus 49 is equal to b plus 7 into b minus 7. So here we can do the cancelling. B plus 7 will cancel, b minus 4, then b minus 7 will cancel, then b plus 2 cancel. So the remaining terms are b minus 4 divided by b plus 2. Take down this. Next we move on to the third problem. X plus 2 divided by 4y divided by x square minus x minus 6 divided by 12y square. If suppose our expression is very simple one, we can do the problem by directly, right? So this one is very simple one. So I am going to do it directly. So x plus 2 divided by 4y. Instead of divide, you should do the multiply by reciprocal of this number. So 12y square divided by the x square minus x minus 6. Find out the factors of this one. The multiplication is minus 6. The additional term is minus 1. So, how can we write? 2 3s are 6. So, if we take the greater number by minus, we will get minus 6 the multiplication term, the additional term is minus 1. Here the expression is x. So, how can we write x plus 2 into x minus 3, right? So, here we can cancel x plus 2, 1 y is cancelled, balance y, 1 y is having here, 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12, right? So, the remaining term, what we are having here, 3y divided by x minus 3. Take down this. Next, come to the last problem. Fourth division, 12t square minus 22t plus 8 divided by 3t divided by the second expression 3t square plus 2t minus 8 divided by 2t square plus 4t. So, here also the same concept. If suppose our expression is tough one, we can take one by one, otherwise we can do it directly. So, here in the first expression numerator, I am going to take the numerator 12t square minus 22t plus 8 is equal to, here we can take out 2. So, if we take out 2, we will get 6t square minus 11t plus 4. So, here the multiplication term is 24, the additional term is minus 11. So, 8 3s are 24. So, for this term, here both the number we should take the minus. So, now we can add these two, we will get plus 24. If we add these two, if we multiply these two, we will get plus 24. If we add these two, we will get minus 11. Here we are having the coefficient of t squared is 6. So, how can we write 60 minus 8, 60 minus 3. So, here we can do the cancelling. That is 3, 3 2s are 6. 3t minus 4, then here we should divide it by 3. So, 2t minus 1. So, the factors are 2 into 3t minus 4 into 2t minus 1. Okay, next the denominator, here we are having only 3t, so no need to split that. Next come to the second expression, first numerator 3t square plus 2t minus 8 is equal to, here we can't take out any number, right? So, the multiplication term is minus 24, so additional term is 2. So, 6 4s are 24. Here we take minus, we will get minus 24. If we add these two, we will get plus 2. Here the variable is 3t. So, 3t plus 6, 3t minus 4. Here we can do the cancelling. If you can do the cancelling, you must do the cancel in that place itself, right? So, here t plus 2, the factors are t plus 2 into 3t minus 4. Next, the last one. In the second expression, last denominator 2t square plus 4t. Here we can take out 2t. If we take out 2t, we will get t plus 2. So again, we want to write the same question here. That is 12t square minus 22t plus 8 divided by 3t. Instead of divided, we should multiply by the reciprocal of the second expression. So 2t square plus 4t divided by 3t square plus 2t minus 8 is equal to the first one. We already split that one. You just check that one. 2 into 3t minus 4 into 2t minus 1. So 2 into 3t minus 4 into 2t minus 1 divided by 3t. Multiplication of, here we already take out that 2t into t plus 2 divided by that is t plus 2 into 3t minus 4. T plus t plus 2 into 3t minus 4. Okay, here now we will do the cancelling. T cancel. Next 3t minus 4, 3t minus 4 cancel. T plus 2 cancel. So the remaining terms are, the numbers also here we are having 2 2s are 4. So 4 into, the balance one is 2t minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, take down this. Okay, thank you children.